What's going on, guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to go out there and find winning products that are not too saturated and that have crazy potential for you to go ahead and actually sell them. So go ahead and keep watching this video. So one of the reasons that I really enjoy this method that I'm going to show you in just a second is that it really gives you the ability to go out there and find products before they get too saturated. You can really catch a product before it takes off so they can actually ride the wave and be able to profit without it getting too saturated. So one of the things that I see with a bunch of other product research softwares is that it gives you the exact product, gives literally all of the users. So you're out there competing with a bunch of users testing the same exact product. So this tool that I'm going to show you, this method that I'm going to show you, really is much better. One, because you're gonna really tap into a blue ocean without having to test the same exact product as a bunch of other members that are part of all these other different product research methods. So I'm gonna go right in and show you exactly how it works. So the tool that I use to help me find 6- and 7-figure products is called AdSpice. So I'm gonna actually go inside of my computer, show you exactly how this tool works and how I find winning products within less than 5 minutes typically. And you're gonna be able to see how you can actually utilize this tool to really find products that are not too saturated. So as you can see, once you log into your AdSpy account, and actually if you want to go ahead and sign up for AdSpy, I went ahead and contacted them and they actually gave me a special link down below. If you click that link, you're gonna be able to get a free trial plus $50 off your first month. So go ahead and click that link if you want to go ahead and actually sign up for this tool. So before I go ahead and show you exactly how it works, I'm gonna give you an idea of what it's about. So what you do once you go inside of here is you go ahead and plug in different criteria that you want, and it's going to go out there and find Facebook ads that are currently live right now. So this gives you an idea of how well a product is doing with the engagements and with everything going on. And there's a lot of information that you can get from here, but I just want to give you a summary of what this is. So let's go right back into it. So the first thing that I like to do once I get here is I go ahead and under technologies, I type in Shopify. Once I go ahead and click on Shopify, the next thing that I like to do is I go ahead and find advertisements that have a total like of over 300, because I want to make sure that whatever product that I'm going after has some potential and has already been somewhat validated. So I'm gonna do that. 300 to 300 plus is fine. And the next thing that I'd like to do is under buttons, I'd like to do shop now. Perfect. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and scroll through this page and find, products that we can potentially go ahead and dropship. So as you can see, the first product that we came across that I think is going to be a really good product given the current time is this product. So I'm guessing this is werewolf mask. And as you can see, it has 700 likes, 163 comments, and it was created September 23rd. So I'm filming this on September 24th. So it was created yesterday and it already has 700 likes. So that gives you an idea of how well this product is doing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and click this, and this will actually take you directly to the ad, which a lot of softwares doesn't actually let you do. That way you're gonna be able to see exactly what people are saying in the comments. It's gonna show you exactly the reactions. And actually it did an update over here. So as you can see, only has 7K reactions, but on the actual Facebook ad, it has 1.7. So meaning this product is doing really well right now, and it's kind of trending. So this is the type of product that you want to go ahead and test as soon as you see, because now you're going to be able to catch this product before it goes too crazy so that you can also take your profit. So as you can see right here, people are loving this. That's amazing, blah, blah, blah. A lot of people are liking this. And let's go ahead and actually see what their store looks like. Okay, so they're selling this product for $39.99. Now I'm sure you can get similar product like this for less than $10. Obviously I haven't done the research, but I'm sure this product is kind of cheap. Overall, this is, kind of a solid product page. I don't want to get too in detail about the product page, but overall, this is one solid product that you can go in and test right now. So let's go back and actually find more products like this. And like I said, we literally found a winning product within less than, I don't know, like a minute or so. And this is why I really like the software. So let's go back and actually do a few more products so they can actually see that we can find not just one, but multiple different ones. So if you go back here and then keep scrolling, we're gonna be able to find a few more different products. And another cool thing about this product is you can click on the page right here and it will take you directly to the advertiser's page. So it shows you exactly how many ads they're running with the engagement. That's one thing you cannot really find with going on ad library and typing in a page. You can't really see how many people are liking it, how many people are commenting. But with this tool, you're gonna be able to see exactly how many people are reacting, how many people are liking it, because that gives you an idea of how well it's doing. So now that we found one winning product, it looks like they're also promoting more products. They're promoting this skull bowl, they're promoting this other face mask, they're promoting a bike rack, which I think is really also a solid product given the fact that a lot of people actually got into biking with the whole quarantine situation. So we didn't only just find one winning product, but multiple, as you can see, because other products like this one has also tons of engagement. This one also has tons of engagement. So overall, we found 3 winning products. This one doesn't really have a whole lot of engagement, so we're probably gonna leave this out. But overall, we found 3 solid products just from this one page running product. So this is one of the things that I really love about it. So right now we're gonna go right back and then do some more searching. So we're gonna scroll through and find a few more products. Okay, this looks like a dropshipping product. It has 600 likes. You know, I've seen this product before, so I'm not gonna go through it. This product also looks kind of solid. So night driving glasses. So let's go ahead and see exactly how well it's doing. Okay, perfect. So it looks like this ad is also doing well. It has a good amount of engagements, comments, and as you can see, people are actually commenting and saying that this product is solid. So that's also another sign that, you know, this product is doing well. So one thing I want to make sure is when this was created. So this was created 3 days ago. So today's the 24th. So as you can see, it has, you know, tons of engagement already. So we're pretty much catching the product before it goes too crazy. So let's go and actually see how much they're selling it for. Okay, they're selling it for they're selling it for a very cheap price, which I don't actually recommend selling products for under 20 bucks because you're not gonna be really left with a whole lot of money, you know, after ad costs and shipping and everything, unless you're doing bundles. So let's go and actually find a few more different products. And it looks like this one is also doing really well. As you can see, it has 5,000 people liking it, and there's almost 2,000 comments, 3,000 shares. So this product is also killing it. So let's go and actually see how well it's doing right now. And let's see when it was created also. It was created on the 21st. So that means it was created 3 days ago and it has tons and tons of engagement already. So that tells you something, and that is this product is a winner. Oh Lord. Okay. So it has 10K engagement now, 2.6K comments, 4.8K shares. Holy moly, this product is hot. I might actually go in and test this. You know? So a lot of people are actually loving this. And let's go actually click shop now. Selling it for 22 bucks, and I'm sure this product is very cheap. This is actually a funny product. I might get this for my house. So just like that, we found more than 5 products that you can go ahead and test right now. And this is why I absolutely love this software, because it gives me the ability to save a lot of time from doing, you know, a lot of manual work to find products. So I highly recommend you to go ahead and sign up for this tool, as it really will help you save a lot of time and give you the ability to find products without it being too saturated. So like I mentioned, if you want to go and sign up, go ahead and click the link in my description where you're going to get a free trial plus $50 off your first month. So go ahead and click my specialized link down below. All right guys, so I hope you got some value out of this video, and I actually gave you some solid products for you to go out there and test right now. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate that, and it really does help the channel. So go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, recommendations, anything, go ahead and leave it in the comment. I respond to every single comment, so go ahead and leave it there. So without further ado, I'll see you in the next one.